10 Stock Market Tips for Beginners. 1. Start small, stay consistent. Invest small amounts regularly instead of trying to time the market. 2. Only invest money you can leave for 3 to 5 years. Short-term panic ruins long-term wealth. 3. Focus on strong companies, not cheap stocks. Quality beats low price every time. 4. Diversify your investments. Put money in different sectors to reduce risk. 5. Never follow hype blindly. Trending stocks crash fastest. Research before buying. 6. Learn basic financial terms. EPS, P/E ratio, market cap, dividends. These guide better decisions. 7. Always check a company's long-term chart. A strong 5 to 10-year trend tells you more than daily price moves. 8. Avoid emotional decision-making. Use a plan, not fear or greed, to decide when to buy or sell. 9. Reinvest dividends. Compounding accelerates wealth massively. 10. Be patient. Wealth grows slowly in the beginning. The biggest returns come later through compounding and consistency.